Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Today I'm making some homemade white bread. I'm making it into a loaf. It's not hard to make. It's really easy to make. So it's 4 cups of bread flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, a stick of melted butter, 12 ounces of soy milk. I'm using soy, but you could use regular milk or water. My choice is soy. And a pack of self-rising yeast, not self-rising yeast, rapid yeast. And I see some people use nutmeg in it. I've never tried nutmeg, so this time I'm trying a nutmeg to see what it tastes like with the nutmeg. So you put everything in your bowl, your mixer. I'm choosing a mixer, but you could put it in a bowl and knead it by hand if you want to. But this right here is easy. So you combine everything together, and then after it combined, you knead it out on your counter for maybe 5 or 7 minutes, and then you put it in your bowl and cover it up and leave it for like an hour or until it's double in size. And then you come back and you knead it out again and you make it into the loaf. Oh, and also a 1/4 cup of white sugar. That's part of the ingredients. So after 1 hour, you knead it out again. Not too long, just to shape it into the loaf. And then you make sure your loaf pan is greased. I grease mine with butter. You could use shortening or vegetable oil, but I chose butter. And then I let it sit again until it doubled in size. And then I bake it at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And for the topping, it's not necessary, but I wanted it to look a little shiny, pretty. So I just took like a teaspoon of butter and some honey and just put it on there with the brush to make it look pretty. And there you have it. Homemade loaf bread. And it tastes really good with the nutmeg. Yeah, the nutmeg gave it different flavor. It tastes really, really good. So you should try it. Talk to y'all next time. Bye bye.